When you visit a website, sometimes you see like this pop-up message. If you allow it, you will get notification about their new post, important update, discount, etc. As a website owner, you can send them this notification throughout computer or mobile web browser, also in-app mobile push notification. So today in this video, we're gonna discuss some basic and important fact about push notification and how to add most popular one signal push notification service to any WordPress website. So hello guys, I'm Imam Sadiq and welcome to WW Engineer. Okay, hope you understand what is push notification. Now let's know some basic benefits by adding push notification to your website. Okay, I'm not going to make this video longer. I just type here. You can pause this segment and read all text. Alright, now the question is there are a lot of push notification service provider. Which one do you need to implement? It is really simple, depend on your website, on your application, your subscriber, the scope of your business you wanna have free of cost or paid. For example, some provider offer partial free service like 1,000 subscriber or 500 impression free per month, etc. As well as some provider offer only web page notification. Some provider you can get mobile push notification, in-app notification, email notification, etc. On the screen you see some top provider. You can spend some time and explore whichever suitable to your website, to your business. That's it. Alright, now let's see how to add most popular one signal push notification to your WordPress website. Simply go to Google and search for OneSignal. You see onesignal.com. This is their official website. So click this. And here all information about their service, what can you do with OneSignal automation, trusted business partner, everything. You can read all of them. For now, click get started now. Simple sign up form. You can write here your email address, password, checkmark, agreement. Also you can connect with your Google account, Facebook or any GitHub account, but I'm gonna write here email address. So after putting, click this agreement checkmark and sign up with email. So here is the captcha, verify. So here's some plan. You see free, growth, professional, enterprise. So you can read all of them and choose depend on your subscriber, on your business website. So for now we're gonna select free one. So you see here facilities, what can you do with this free plan? So now we need to verify our this email. Go to your email inbox and verify it. So this is the email just now got from OneSignal. Confirmation, confirm your account. Okay, just close this tab, also close this one, and we need to write here our first name, last name. Then click this drop down and select whichever suitable to you. If not, then you can select other. Now what do you primarily want to use OneSignal for? This is why you are going to use OneSignal. If you want, you can select all of them, other also, but I'm going to select these two. And then what channel do you plan to use OneSignal for? So OneSignal you can use for many purpose, for email notification, post notification, mobile SMS notification, even in-app message if you want to send them, mobile app, iOS, Android, etc. So you can select all of them if you want. So I'm going to select for now post notification and mobile number optional. So click continue. Now welcome to OneSignal. We have to complete 3 steps. This is first step. So company or organization name. Then website typing is mandatory. You need to type here. If you don't have, then you can check it here. So I'm gonna write here www.engineer.com. Then what industry best describe your company? So click and then you can select whichever is suitable to your business. So I'm gonna select educational and then company size. Now click continue. We are in second step. Now add your first app or website. So click create. And here is quick start guide. You can create push notification quickly with this form. You see also other three options, so we're gonna click this first one and then four option, so we're gonna select first one. Again you see 8 option, we're gonna select web post notification and then click continue button. Here 3 option, our website is WordPress, so we're gonna select second one, WordPress. So right here your website name, it will be shown on your push notification as a title. You see here instruction. And then second option, site URL, you need to be careful here. If your website is configured with URL www dot, then you need to put here www, otherwise you can write here https. Also you can see here instruction whatever saying. Now auto subscribe, it is really good option. You see here why this button, I'm gonna put it on. After that we need to upload here default icon URL, so keep in mind all time just put here square image. To select automatically your website fab icon, you can write here your website main URL, but it is not good practice because sometimes it can get more overload to your website. So I'm going to upload my logo. Here's some other feature, you can get your image Facebook, Google Drive, Box, OneDrive, etc. So I'm going to upload from my computer. Drag and drop it here and save. Here image aspect ratio is changed, looking weird. Don't worry, just it is temporary. Now scroll down little bit and you see advanced option for Safari older users, so I'm going to click save. You see we are done. Our app ID, app key, Safari web ID, everything is ready. Now we need to go to our website and install that plugin. So this is the website where we're gonna add this OneSignal push notification. So I am already in plugin section, so click add new plugin and right here OneSignal, then OneSignal web post notification by OneSignal official plugin. So click install now, activate it. Okay, our plugin is activated. Now scroll down to the bottom side, you see here OneSignal post, just click. Here you see red signal because still we did not connect to OneSignal server, so don't worry, it is just temporary. And you see here is the instruction how to connect to OneSignal, so we already did this. Now just direct click this configuration. Top side account setting, my site use HTTPS connection. You know what is HTTPS, so if you click your website URL, you see here our website use HTTPS, so this switch is enabled. And then app ID, as you can see just right before we got app ID, if you did not copy that, again go to OneSignal dashboard. Now I'm on OneSignal dashboard. You see this is OneSignal dashboard homepage. After that our app that we have created just right before, so click this three dot and then open dashboard. Then come here left side, scroll down setting. So under this setting you see we have here key and IDs, just click here. And you see this is our app ID, just copy by clicking this copy button and scroll down a little bit. Also you see here our API key, just copy also this one, and we need to go to here and then paste it here app ID. Also I'm gonna put here Safari ID that I have copied before. Then scroll down, send notification settings. use the postage featured image for the notification icon. If you are familiar with WordPress, you know what is featured image. If you disable it, then your default fab icon or your OneSignal dashboard icon will be appear on your notification. And then the option is use the posted featured image for Chrome's large notification image. If you do not understand, let me show you an example demo notification. Look at here, this is demo notification. You see, this is the large image. Exactly this option means this image. So if you want to show your featured image here as a large image, then you can enable this option. And this is icon image. So this is the icon image you see here. If you want to exactly this image will be shown here, then you can enable this option. I'm gonna disable it. And then this is the title we are blasting off. You see here notification title. So this is the title and this is description. All the thing, this button, description, everything you can customize and modify however you want on OneSignal dashboard. Now go ahead and see what is next option, hide notification after a few seconds. So click this drop down and you see here three options, yes on macOS and no. So what does exactly this mean? You can understand by moving your mouse here. You see yes, the notification, hide yourself, and then yes on macOS and then no. So I'm going to make it yes and scroll down, send notification additionally to iOS and Android platform. So if you configure OneSignal SDK to any Android or iOS app, then you can send the same notification to iOS on Android platform if that is enabled on the OneSignal dashboard. So first time you have to configure on OneSignal dashboard, then you can enable this option here. Scroll down, prompt setting and subscription bell. Automatically prompt new site visitor with OneSignal site prompt before native browser prompt, and it is recommended, so I'm going to enable it. Okay, if you do not catch the meaning of this option, let me show you an example what is exactly OneSignal slide prompt. So this is OneSignal slide prompt. It is stylish, it is customizable, it is attractive, and most likely user to subscribe to your website if you enable this slide prompt, and it can be various. Let me tell you in details. In OneSignal you can show few type of prompts. This is slide prompt and this is native browser prompt. All the time a visitor allow this slide prompt, but after that it is depend on the native browser prompt. If it is allowed in native browser, then finally it is allowed. So what, as I am telling you, in OneSignal you can show the slide prompt, category slide prompt, bell notification prompt, native browser prompt, and also totally custom prompt. But it is little bit tricky. You have to create on OneSignal dashboard that custom prompt and copy that HTML CSS code, and you have to paste on your website web page wherever you want. That is little bit tricky. If you want to get full video, let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make separate video for that. And then over here enable the subscription bell. Keep in mind you can enable both slide prompt and subscription bell together if you move your mouse. You see here the instructions. So for now I'm going to keep it enabled and then show the subscription bell after user have subscribed it. It is right that this subscription bill is really nice and looks good on the website, but sometimes it is overlapping and disturbing, irritating the user. So I'm going to make it visible and then show the OneSignal logo on the subscription bell dialog, and then customize the subscription bell tags. So when it is enabled, you see here we have the option to customize the subscription bell tags. Tip when unsubscribed. Here you can write the message for unsubscribed user. By default the message you see it is written already in the system, and then tip when subscribed you see. So all the option you see here, the gray color text is already written in OneSignal default system. So if you overwrite it, if you want to rename any option, then you can write whatever you want. That's it. So for now I'm going to leave all this option as it is here, and then next option, customize the subscription bell offset position. So enable it and see what can you do. So you see here the size medium, small and large. So leave it medium, and then the position bottom left or bottom right, so you can choose whatever. And then theme, it is red. Now it is bottom right. Okay, let's take an example. The subscription bill will be shown here. Now from the bottom you can write here in a specific pixel to move it bottom side or upper side. Maybe in coding system when you write here like 50 pixel, then it show here. But when you write here minus 50 pixel, then maybe it go down more down. That's it. So I hope you understand if you know a little bit CSS. So for now I'm going to disable it. And then next option is customize the subscription bell themes colors. When you enable it, then you see here an option subscription bell color customization. So you can here see the instruction, you can override the themes color. So you can write here any color name or CSS valid code, RGBA also, and transparent. This is really good option. Now main button background color, main button foreground color, you can exactly have to spend some time here, and if you want to customize that. For now I'm going to disable this option, and then scroll down. Attempt to automatically prompt new site visitor with native browser prompt not recommended. As I shown you before, what is native prompt port, it is really not recommended and not good practice to get subscriber, because there are a lot of downside. When some visitor reject this native prompt port, then browser automatically not going to show this prompt port next users, and also some other facts. So it is really not recommended. Scroll down. Prompt port customization, how would look like to your prompt port on your website, on your web page. So scroll down, and then here the setting, modify the HTTP pop-up prompt port, you see. So customize the prompt port tags. If you enable this, then you see here we have action message. So we'd like to send push notification. By default it is written. If you want to change, you can write here. Accept button, text allow. Cancel button also is called positive button, and it is called native button. And then some other option for HTTP only. You see all this option for HTTP. So scroll down, and then welcome notification settings. When the user subscribe to your website, then they will get a message. If they clean their browser cache, also they can get again this welcome message. So it is enabled. And then you can customize the welcome message title. If you keep it blank, then your website default title will be shown, and the message you see here, thanks for subscribing. The URL, if you keep it empty, then your website URL will be shown there. So I'm going to leave as it is here. And then automatic notification settings, automatically send a push notification when I create a new post from my WordPress editor. So here is very important option. You see here we have post option. So this is WordPress by default post option. When you create any new post, then automatically will send a push notification to the visitor. And then second option is automatically send a push notification when I publish a post from third-party plugin. That means exactly, see here an instruction. So there are a lot of plugin, lot of themes. You can create and publish new posts directly from them. So enable this option, and when you create new post from that plugin or theme, also notification will be sent. But there is a condition, the post type must be post type post. Okay, let me show you an example. So look at this page. You see here in the bottom side tooltip, post type page. So this is the page, also it is a post type. WordPress exactly work on post type. This page also a post. So after this post type, it could be page, it could be media, it could be something other. So when the post type is post from other plugin, then the notification will be sent when you enable this option. That's it. Then scroll down, UTM tracking settings. Okay, if you are totally new with UTM tracking, let me tell you briefly. UTM stands for Universal Transverse Marketer. UTM is URL parameter added to the end of the URL to analytics platform and track how user engage with the link. It's gonna help you a lot in the next step, like understanding traffic source and best performing channel camping to decide how to go ahead in future. If you want to get full video for one signal UTM tracking, let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make separate video for that. Now let's go to the next option and then advanced setting, additional custom post type for automatic notification create from plugin. So you see here the instruction, how do you write comma separated and without a space. As I told you before, WordPress work with post type and there are a lot of custom post type created by plugin and theme. So I'm gonna show you an example. You see here WooCommerce, I have installed it on this website. So if I move my mouse product add new, then you see here in the bottom side post type pro. Okay, it's not showing full text. Let me click here. So on the URL, if you click the right side, you see here post type product. So here could be other text, post type news, post type ad, post type movie, post type radio, whatever, just it could be different, come from various plugin and various theme. For example, if I write here product, so now when I publish a new product on this website, the visitor will get notification about this product. So I can write here any other thing, also whatever you want. So this is the option for that. And then disable one signal initialization. It is useful for custom prompt. When you make custom prompt from one signal dashboard, then you can enable this option. So we are gonna use this one signal default options, so keep it disable. And then show a status message after sending notification. When it is enabled, then you can get a message on the top side after successfully send notification to the user. That's it. So after complete all the options, just click this save button. Then you see the red message is gone. Now our site is configured and connected to one signal system. Now let's check does really it work or not. So I'm going to open this website in private mode. So copy and then paste it here, enter. So just wait. Yeah, our site is working good. This is slide prompt. This is our logo and the message, and this is positive button, it is negative button, and also the bell icon here. You see the tags. So I'm going to subscribe it from here. Now it is subscribe it. So that's all for today. Hope you have learned something new. Also hope you like it and comment this video. If you have any question or suggestion, don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.